A heartfelt thank you, embracing the love that made this year special. As the days of this year come to a close, I can't help but reflect on everything that's happened. The highs and the lows, the challenges, and the moments of joy. But in the midst of it all, one thing stands out more than anything else: the people who made me smile. Sometimes, life can feel heavy, and there are days when the weight of the world feels too much to bear. But even in those moments, I've found light. And that light came from the people who crossed my path, the ones who cared, the ones who laughed with me, and the ones who simply showed up when I needed them the most. And so, as the year slips away, I just want to take a moment to thank every single person who made me smile. You may not realize it, but your kindness, your words, your presence, no matter how small, have had a profound impact on my life. You've been my strength, my joy, and the reason I could hold my head up on those tough days. You are one of those people. You made a difference, and for that, I'm deeply grateful. So here's a big hug, wrapped in warmth and love, just for you. Thank you for being a part of my life and for being a light when I needed it most. Lesson: we often forget how much of an impact we have on others. A smile, a word of encouragement, a simple gesture, these things matter. Sometimes, we get caught up in the big things, the grand gestures, but it's the little moments, the quiet acts of kindness, that truly make the difference. As this year comes to an end, I've realized that it's the people we cherish, the ones who make us smile, that shape our journey. So never underestimate the power of kindness. Never forget to thank the people who make your heart lighter. They are the ones who truly matter. As we step into the new year, let's carry with us the gratitude for those who've brightened our lives. And remember, the more you give, the more you'll receive. A kind word, a shared smile. These simple gifts are what make life beautiful. So here's to you. Thank you for being you.